Before we jump into the video, take a moment to check out the Viofo dashcam deals linked below. Use code IDIOTSMINI2 at checkout for a discount. Take care and enjoy watching.
Wow! Oh. Wow! Oh. Oh, goddamn! Damn, man! Oh, goddamn! God fucking damn it! Oh my God!
I'm helping him with his own dad, or I don't know how she said it. It's like, and like your dad doesn't look at all that stuff, you know? Oh,
Whoa!
like, what the heck?
He ran into that sign. Whoa! There. Oh! Oopsie. Did the truck run into him? Yeah. Truck ran into that car.
Stopping to participate in that bullshit.
What a fucking idiot. Yeah.
Russia war and stopping it, we would already know this solution. I think that
Oh.
Russia is, and Ukraine especially,
Fuck it out.
Bro. Ain't no way. How? How do you have this thing floating here? How? How is this possible? Bro, how? How is that possible?
I know, I've drove this road a million times. I delivered right there and he grabbed the power line when I took off.
Oh my gosh.
He scared the crap out of me.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright, man. Good luck.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my God.
Holy
fuck, dude? Yep!